Hello, little explorers, and welcome back to our channel. Are you ready for a super fun adventure under the sea? Today, we are going on an amazing journey to meet all sorts of wonderful ocean animals, all the way from A to Z. Let's dive in and sing along. A is for the amazing angelfish, with colors so bright and bold. B is for the big blue beluga whale, a story to be told. C is for the clever crab, scuttling sideways on the sand. D is for the delightful dolphin, the friendliest in the land. Well, in the sea, let's keep going. E is for the electric eel, with a little spark of light. F is for the funny flounder, with both its eyes on one side. What a sight! G is for the great green sea turtle, gliding gracefully and slow. H is for the happy hammerhead shark, putting on a swimming show. Are you singing with me? I is for the incredible ibis bill, wading in the shallow streams. J is for the giant jellyfish, drifting in our ocean dreams. K is for the krill, so tiny and small, a whale's favorite snack. L is for the long-legged lobster, who never looks back. We are doing great. M is for the mighty manatee, a gentle giant of the sea. N is for the magical narwhal, the ocean's unicorn, wild and free. O is for the observant octopus, with 8 arms to give a hug. P is for the playful pufferfish, looking like a round little bug. Q is for the queen conch, with a beautiful, swirly shell. R is for the radiant ray, with a long tail. Can you tell? S is for the silly starfish, with 5 arms to wave hello. And what's another S? It's for the shark. Baby shark, do 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 do. Mommy shark, do 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 do. Let's keep swimming. T is for the terrific tuna, a speedy swimmer, fast and strong. U is for the unique urchin, with spines so sharp and long. V is for the vampire squid, living deep down in the dark. W is for the wonderful walrus, with tusks that make their mark. And of course, W is also for the wonderful whale, the biggest animal in the world. Can you believe it? They sing beautiful songs that travel for miles under the water. From the giant blue whale to the humpback whale, they are truly majestic. We are almost at the end. X is for the X-ray fish. You can see right through its skin. So cool! Y is for the yellowfin tuna, another fast swimmer with a fin. And finally, Z is for the zebra shark, with stripes when it is young. It lies on the ocean floor, where our ABC song is sung. Wow, you did it! We sang all the way from A to Z and met so many incredible ocean friends. From the angelfish to the zebra shark, the ocean is full of amazing life. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for singing and learning with us today. It was so much fun exploring the deep blue sea with you. If you had a great time, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fun adventures and songs. We can't wait to see you again next time. Bye bye, little explorers.